In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini, and let me show you how to change the date and time of this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Date and Time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic time, and set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also turn off automatic time zone, and just pick the one that you'd like to set by yourself. So let's pick the region and then time zone if there is more than one in particular region. And that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change the date and time. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just click on automatic and then GPS or network provided time. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.